Hey, William McMahon here. Just got off the phone with a guy who had a very common question after he got hurt of the railroad. So he is afraid of making a claim because he's worried that, quote, his worker compensation benefits will end. Mostly thinking about medical bills. I get this question almost, a couple times a week from railroad guys. Number one, railroad workers are not covered by workers' compensation. You are covered by the FELA, the Federal Employers Liability Act. Number two, the railroad owes you zero, nothing, nada, if you get hurt at work. Doesn't matter if it's 100% the railroad's fault. They owe you nothing until you prove it in a court of law with a jury. That's the only way they can force them to pay anything. Number three, the railroad doesn't pay your medical bills. Your medical bills are provided, gets paid by your health insurance that is provided by the collective bargaining agreement that your union negotiated. The railroad picks up sometimes co-pays. The railroad oftentimes processes the medical bills, meaning they get to see what type of treatment you're going through, which is important for the risk management in their claims process. But it's not coming out of the railroad's pocket. It is to be handled by the health insurance as provided under the collective bargaining agreement. So whether or not you make a claim or not is not going to be determined of how your medical bills are going to be paid. If you make a claim, will the railroad make things harder for you? Sure, because that's the whole job of the claims department, is to drive clients crazy, make them frustrated with the process so they take short settlements. But that is independent of the way medical bills get paid when you get hurt. There's a whole other aspect that doctors are not used to this process because railroaders are unique in the country that handle their work-related claims this way. So there's a lot of education that has to happen with the nursing staff, with the billing staff, the office staff of the different hospitals and medical providers that you go to when you're trying to get treatment. But anyway, so I just got off the phone with another guy who's worried about making a claim because he doesn't want the medical bills not to be paid. That is not how it works when you have an injury on the railroad. Give me a call anytime. Shoot me an email, shoot me a text to discuss any questions that you have if you suffered an injury on the job on the railroad.